Welcome to ByKumi. Today we're making Asian-style garlic glass noodles. It's a wonderful dish in its simplicity of ingredients, but complexity of flavors. Enjoy it as a side to your vegetable or protein, or eat it as your main event. Definitely worth trying if you're not familiar with these noodles, as they are super easy to prepare and come together really quickly. And what better way than with lots and lots of garlic? Let's get started. Please find the ingredients and tools at the end of this video and the recipe on ByKumi.com. Peel and finely chop 2 tablespoons of garlic. In order to maximize the health benefits of garlic, allow it to sit 10 to 15 minutes after chopping. Breaking the clove triggers a reaction that increases the healthy compounds and limits damage from heat. When finished chopping, set aside. I definitely have enough, and I love garlic, so I'm adding all of it. We'll be using bean thread vermicelli or mung bean noodles. Place 4 bundles of noodles in a medium-sized mixing bowl. Each bundle should weigh 2 ounces. Soak the noodles in tepid water while preparing the remaining ingredients. Be sure all the noodles are submerged. Squeeze 1 or 2 limes, enough for 2 tablespoons of juice. Now for the seasoning. Add 2 tablespoons sugar to a measuring cup or small mixing bowl. Add 1 teaspoon ground black pepper. Add 2 tablespoons oyster sauce. Add 2 teaspoons chicken bouillon, better than bouillon roasted chicken base, highly recommended. Add 1 teaspoon sesame oil, Kadoya pure sesame oil, highly recommended. Add 1 tablespoon fish sauce, please only use the 3 Crabs brand. Add 2 tablespoons lime juice. Now mix together until the sugar is fully dissolved and set aside. It's time to drain the noodles and set aside. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons neutral flavored oil to a large wok-like pot. I'm using refined coconut oil. My stove is on medium to heat the oil. Once the oil is heated, add the chopped garlic. Cook 3 to 4 minutes, mixing constantly to cook evenly. Just before the garlic begins to brown, add the noodles and toss with the garlic, and you may need to turn down the stove. Then add the seasoning, pouring over a wide area. Mix in the seasoning thoroughly with the noodles. And since the noodles cook quickly, the dish is ready when the ingredients are fully mixed together. And that's it. Enjoy! Thanks so much for watching, and as always, for more information or a printable recipe, visit ByKumi.com. And don't forget to share your photos. We'll see you again soon. Jane! The ingredients today: bean thread vermicelli or mung bean noodles. I've used both of these brands. Just be sure each bundle of noodles is 2 ounces each. Garlic, sugar, ground black pepper, oyster sauce, chicken bouillon. Better than bouillon roasted chicken base works well with this dish. Sesame oil, Kadoya pure sesame oil, highly recommended. Fish sauce, please only use 3 Crabs brand. Limes. Neutral flavored oil for frying. I use refined coconut oil. This is different from virgin coconut oil. And for the tools: medium or large mixing bowl, medium colander, small bowl, or I like to use a measuring cup, spatula and a spoon, measuring spoons, measuring glass is helpful, 1/8 cup measuring cup, optional but helpful, juicer, cutting boards and a knife, 2 spatulas and resting plate, large wok-like pot, serving plate.